This is how you install the good earth lighting. Jordan 1000 lumens LED. This is from Lowe's, I think, but you can buy anywhere, probably. So you have to remove the top with those 3 screws. So you're gonna have your plate with the wires in the back, you know, black and white, and the ground, and those has to be connected to the ground, to the wires in the wall. Now I'm gonna show you how. To avoid any problem, not to be electrocuted, you have to disconnect the breaker. I believe this is the one for all the bedrooms, because it's written bedrooms and there is no other one. So I think it's this. I'm gonna check it out and show you how to do it. You can also press this one. And then anyway, to engage it, you have to pull all the way back if you do the test. Okay, so let's go check how to do that, to check if you still have power or not. Okay, so what you do, if you have a multimeter, you just plug the multimeter inside. First the black and then the red, because if not, it doesn't go inside. You're gonna see if you're measuring a voltage or not. Or if you have a light, you just connect it, and you see when you turn the breaker on, that's on again, and you're gonna read at 124, possibly, yeah, 123. Okay, so that's the way you check. So remember, do not connect the white and the black like they say here, because this is the old code, I think before 2011. Because if not, your light is gonna be on all the time, because there is always power between these two. You're not gonna be able to turn it on and off from the switch. So that's the only thing you have to take care of. You have to connect the red on the top of the ceiling instead of connecting the black. The black is gonna stay not connected. Okay, so this house is connected with a new code, so you're gonna have 3 cables, white, black, and red. The white is your neutral. In this case, it's left inside the box. I don't see it where it's probably that one, but it's not gonna be used, because that's the one that you need for the electronic devices like dimmers. And on the top there, you're gonna have 3 cables. You're gonna use the white and the red, and the black is gonna stay not connected, or is gonna go to the next line. In this case, I saw that all these lights are they're not connected to, they're not continuing the line, so the black cable just stays there, not connected. And that's the situation over here. Now we're gonna connect those two, the white to the white and the black to the red, and we're gonna insulate the black, and everything's gonna work fine. Don't forget this one, that's for the bedrooms. Also cut the power in your laundry, and especially it cuts the power for your router for the internet. So when you open this, you have no internet in the house anymore. This is a Dr. Horton house. So see, remember, oh, that's termite, but this is the contractor. Remember, all these houses from Dr. Horton Florida, they are made like that. Only one for all. Don't turn it off, if not, you don't have internet anymore. Okay, so white and red connected. Oops, the other one, and that's the light. That's it. So that's what we got. The red and the white connected to the light. In this case, one black from the light and one white from the light are coming. The other black is coming from the switch, is not connected. Okay, so how is it connected? The first one to the left is gonna be the light on the ceiling. The second one, the first one on the right, is gonna be that plug right here. Only the one on the bottom that is reversed.